Welcome to the new video MCQs on Immunology Part 3. Question number 1. Which molecule stabilizes the interaction between T cell receptor and MHC molecule? CD28, CD3, CD4 or CD8, CD40? The right answer is option C, CD4 or CD8. CD4 binds MHC2 and CD8 binds MHC1, strengthening T cell receptor and MHC interaction. This improves antigen recognition. Question number 2. Which antibody has the longest half-life in serum? IgA, IgM, IgE, IgG. The right answer is option D, IgG. IgG remains in circulation for about 21 days. This allows prolonged protection. Question number 3. Which complement pathway is activated directly by microbial surfaces? Classical, alternative, lectin, terminal. The right answer is option B, alternative. It does not require antibodies for activation. It is part of innate immunity. Question number 4. Which cell type is most important in graft rejection? B cells, neutrophils, T lymphocytes, eosinophils. The right answer is option C, T lymphocytes. T cells recognize foreign MHC molecules on graft tissue. This leads to rejection. Question number 5. Which immunoglobulin is mainly present as a dimer in secretions? IgA, IgM, IgG, IgD. The right answer is option A, IgA. Secretory IgA forms a dimer with a J chain. It protects mucosal surfaces. Question number 6. Which hypersensitivity reaction is involved in contact dermatitis? Type 1, Type 2, Type 3, Type 4. The right answer is option D, Type 4. It is a delayed T-cell mediated response. No antibodies are involved. Question number 7. Which molecule provides the second signal for T-cell activation? CD3, CD28, CD8, CD25. The right answer is option B, CD28. CD28 on T cells binds B7 on antigen presenting cells. This co-stimulation prevents energy. Question number 8. Which antibody is involved in mucosal immunity of the gut? IgG, IgE, IgM, IgA. The right answer is option D, IgA. IgA neutralizes pathogens at mucosal surfaces. It prevents microbial attachment. Question number 9. Which immune cell is the main source of antibodies? Plasma cell, memory B cell, T helper cell, macrophage. The right answer is option A, plasma cell. Plasma cells are differentiated B cells. They secrete large amount of antibodies. Question number 10. Which interleukin promotes differentiation of T helper 2 cells? Interleukin 2, interleukin 4, interleukin 12, interferon gamma. The right answer is option B, interleukin 4. Interleukin 4 drives Th2 response. It supports humoral and allergic immunity. Question number 11. Which immunoglobulin is mainly found on the surface of naive B cells? IgA, IgG, IgM, IgE. The right answer is option C, IgM. Surface IgM acts as a B cell receptor. It helps to recognize new antigens. Question number 12. Which complement component initiates the classical pathway? C1, C3, C5, C9. The right answer is option A, C1. C1 binds to antibodies attached to antigens. This starts the cascade. Question number 13. Which type of vaccine contains weakened live organisms? Killed vaccine, subunit vaccine, live attenuated vaccine, toxoid vaccine. The right answer is option C, live attenuated vaccine. These vaccines produce strong, long-lasting immunity. They mimic natural infection. Question number 14. Which antibody class is most involved in allergic asthma? IgG, IgE, IgA, IgM. The right answer is option B, IgE. IgA binds mast cells and triggers histamine release. This leads to allergic symptoms. Question number 15. Which molecule allows leukocytes to adhere to blood vessel walls during inflammation? Selectins, hemoglobin, immunoglobulins, complement C3. The right answer is option A, selectins. Selectins help white blood cells to roll and stick to the endothelium. This is an early step in migration to infected tissues. Question number 16. Which molecule is a key inhibitory receptor on T cells? CD28, CD40, CD4, PD1. The right answer is option D, PD1. Programmed cell death protein 1 regulates immune responses. It prevents excessive activation of T cells. Question number 17. Which complement fragment acts as a strong chemoattractant? C3b, C4b, C5a, C9. The right answer is option C, C5a. It recruits neutrophils and enhances inflammation. It is a potent mediator. Question number 18. Which cell type is increased in helminth infections? Neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes. The right answer is option B, eosinophils. Eosinophils attack parasites using toxic granules. They are stimulated by IgE responses. Question number 19. Which antibody region binds to antigens? Fc region, J chain, Hinge region, Fab region. The right answer is option D, Fab region. The Fab region, that is fragment antigen binding, contains the variable region. It determines antigen specificity. Question number 20. Which immune response is faster and stronger on re-exposure to antigen? Primary response, secondary response, innate response, passive response. The right answer is option B, secondary response. Memory cells respond with high affinity antibodies. IgG dominates this phase. Question number 21. Which molecule helps B cells interact with T helper cells? CD40, CD28, CD3, CD16. The right answer is option A, CD40. CD40 on B cells binds CD40L on T cells. This interaction is crucial for class switching. Question number 22. Which hypersensitivity type is antibody-mediated cytotoxicity? Type 1, Type 2, Type 3, Type 4. The right answer is option B, Type 2. Antibodies bind cell surfaces leading to destruction. Complement or natural killer cells may be involved. Question number 23. Which immunoglobulin has the lowest concentration in serum? IgG, IgM, IgA, IgE. The right answer is option C, IgE. IgE is present in very small amounts. It mainly binds to mast cells. Question number 24. Which organ is responsible for B cell maturation? Thymus, spleen, bone marrow, liver. The right answer is option C, bone marrow. B cells develop and mature here before entering the circulation. It is a primary lymphoid organ. Question number 25. Which cytokine activates macrophages most effectively? Interleukin 10, interleukin 4, interleukin 5, interferon gamma. The right answer is option D, interferon gamma. It enhances killing ability of macrophages. It is key in cell-mediated immunity. Question number 26. Which immunoglobulin is important in neonatal gut immunity? IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD. The right answer is option C, IgA. Secretory IgA in breast milk protects infant mucosa. It prevents pathogen attachment. Question number 27. Which cell is the primary mediator of delayed hypersensitivity? B cell, T lymphocyte, neutrophil, mast cell. The right answer is option B, T lymphocyte. Sensitized T cells release cytokines causing inflammation. Reaction appears after 48 to 72 hours. Question number 28. Which complement component forms the pore in target cells? C9, C5b, C3a, C1q. The right answer is option A, C9. C9 polymerizes to create membrane pores. This leads to cell lysis. Question number 29. Which immunoglobulin is most effective at neutralizing toxins? IgE, IgD, IgM, IgG. The right answer is option D, IgG. IgG binds to toxins and prevents their entry to cells. It is abundant in serum. Question number 30. Which process increases antibody affinity during immune response? Class switching, somatic hypermutation, opsonization, clonal deletion. The right answer is option B, somatic hypermutation. Mutations in variable regions improves antigen binding. High affinity B cells are selected. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to learn more MCQs on microbiology.